Wow, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm trying to show you guys this is barberry, and we want to make the juice out of it. So right now kind of boiling it, then after that gonna blend it. Then it's a little bit sour taste, so most of you guys that doesn't know how to, someone like me that don't like the sour taste, you can apply anything else you like, but I'm going to show you the end part of it. So this is barberry, you can see. First of all, just boiling it, so it could be easier for us to blend and extract the water out of the barberry. So what are the advantage of this barberry? It's good for cleaning the blood, and also it's good, if you have shortage of blood, it's also help. And also one of the good thing about this barberry is helps for losing weight. So for you, the ladies, or anybody who is trying to lose weight, so I recommend this for you. The barberry is so good for losing weight. And how to use it? Early morning, you just take a cup of it, and that's it. You're done for the day, and you're gonna see the improvement. It's really good for losing weight. It's good for cleaning the blood. And it's also good for those who have blood shortage also. It's so good. Over here right now, after blending it, over here we are extracting you can see we're extracting it right now. Over here right now, after blending it, over here we are extracting you can see we're extracting it right now. And after the blending, we use this to get the end part of it.
Check it to move. Check it to move. This is not good when it comes to your mouth.